Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. I hope you are enjoying all the videos from your teacher which you are receiving in the WhatsApp. So, moving further towards this exercise, in this video I am going to teach you class 3rd, exercise number 3.3, chapter number 3, part 3. So, moving to this, we will start here exercise 3.3. Students, simply if you are not understanding the video, if you are thinking so, you have to just once again go through the same video so that it will be easy for you, because all the teachers has prepared the video for you for your convenience according to you. Okay, so let's start exercise 3.3. So here students, the question is given, estimate the answer by rounding of the numbers, solve to check your answer. So you have to estimate the numbers, estimate and here rounding off. These two terms are there students, means you are knowing what is rounding off as you have learned in chapter number 1. What is rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so here same thing you have to do. So here 4 questions are there and all 4 I will solve for you so that there should be no confusion in solving the questions. So rounding off. So see students, here 2 things are there. One, actual difference is there, subtraction is there in this question. So one, actual subtraction is there, so actual difference will be the answer, and one, estimated difference is there. So students, what is actual difference and estimated difference, that I will tell you in this video only. Okay, so see, these are the 2 numbers given in question 1, 45 minus 23. So students, the difference which you will find out and the answer which you will write here, this is the actual difference. And after rounding of 45 and rounding of 23, the numbers you will receive here and the difference which you will find out, this will be the estimated difference. So let's start student. 45. 45 rounds up to and 23 rounds down to. And now the term used is rounds up and rounds down. So for your convenience students, the rounds up and rounds down words are used here. So 45. 45 will come in the range, you are knowing very well how to round up the number to the nearest 10. Okay, so 45. So 45 will come in which range? 40 and 50. Nearest 10 means you have to round up to the nearest 10. So 40 and 50. In between 40 and 50 it will come. So now the ones place here is 5. So 5 will be below 5 or it is above 5 or equal to 5? Equal to 5. So we are taking the next number of that group, that is 40 and 50 which we have received here. So we will take second number, that is 50. So it will be 45 will be nearest to 50, because in one's place if 5 or above 5 is there, we are taking the next number. So 40 is the first number, 50 is the next number. So in between that range, so 50 will be more closer to, means 45 will be more closer to 50. Okay students, now moving to 23. So rounds up. Why we have taken up? Because it will come in the range of 40 and 50. The up number we have, this is called the now down number and this is called the up number. So this number we have received here, that's why we have written here rounds up. Rounds down. Now the previous number we will take here of this range, not this one. Okay. So simply students, see here 23. So 23 comes in between which range? 20 and 30. What is the range here? 20 and 30. So this is the rounds up, down, and this is rounds up. And now 3 is given in one's place. And here it is rounds down. Simply. So 3 is there. So below 5. So below 5, so first number we will take. So that's why here it is written rounds down. So 20. Okay students. So I think it is easy for you now how to rounds up and rounds down the numbers. So see students, now find the actual difference. 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. So 22 is the actual difference of 45 and 23. Clear to you? Now moving to the next step of the same question. 50 minus 20 we have received as a rounds of number of the given number. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So now 30 is the estimated difference of the given number. Okay students, so this is the 22 is the actual difference and 30 is the estimated difference. So students, in this way you have to solve rest of the questions also. So now we are proceeding to the next. Now see here, 86, the range is 80 and 90. 6 is there above 5, so we will take 90. Rounds up, we have taken the up number. Now 55 rounds up. So 55 comes in the range 50 and 60. So 60 is the up because 5 is there, 5 are above 5, next number. So that's why 60 we will take here. Okay, now see students, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 8 minus 5 is 5. 6, 7, 8, 3. 31 is the actual difference. Now estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0 and 9 minus 6, 3. 30. Now 30 is the estimated difference. 31 actual difference and 30 is the estimated difference. This is question number 3. Moving to question number 2. First one is here. 1, 2, then 3, then 4. We have solved 1 and 3. Now we are solving 2 and 4. 83. 83 will rounds down to. So 83 will come in the range 80 and 90. So simply students, 3 is there, so we will take 80. Now 17. 17 will come in the range 10 and 20. 10 and 20. In this range only 17 comes. So now 7 is there. So we will take 20, not 10. Okay. So now find the actual difference. 3 minus 7 cannot be done. 8 will become 7. Give it to this. So 13 minus 7. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much? 6. 7 minus 1, 6. Now 66 we have received. Now come to this step. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So students, 66 is the which difference? Actual difference, and 80 minus 20 we have received 60. 60 is the estimated difference. So question number 2 is also solved now. So now moving to question number 4. 56 and 39. So students, 56. So 56 is there. So 56 will come in which range? Tell me. 56, 50 and 60. So 50 and 60 is there. Now in between 50 and 60, what is this? 6 is there, more than 5. So 50 and 60, 60. So 60, it will be close to, 56 will be close to 60. So rounds up to 60. Moving to next, 39. 39 is there, 3 and 9, so 30 and 40. So in between 30 and 40 the range is there, and 9 is close to 40. So of course means the next number. So that's why more than 5 we can say. So it will move to round up to 40. So now let us find the difference of that. 6 minus 9 can be done? No, not at all. So now 5 will become 4 and this will become 16. Now 16 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 7. Now 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 17 we have received after subtracting 39 from 56. So now moving to the next, rounds up to 60 and 39 rounds up to 40. Now 60 minus 40. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So students, now here we have received what? The actual difference of 56 and 39 is 17 and the estimated difference is 60 minus 40 we have received 20. So I hope students in this video you have understood what is rounds up, what is rounds down, how to round up the number to the nearest 10, then what is given here, what is the actual difference, what is the estimated difference. These all things, these all terms you came to know here. Along with that, see students, here the minus sign is there, means the difference portion is there. And in previous exercise we have solved about the estimated sum, actual sum, rounds up to, rounds down to, and how to round up the number to the nearest 10. Okay students, so I hope exercise 3.3 is very easy for you. So thank you for watching.